long are you willing to wait for your long distance partner before parting ways? What if it's like 10 years already of waiting for him? Would you consider visiting his country if he paid for everything? How long are you willing to wait for your long distance partner before parting ways?
I think 1 year.
And what would be the reason why you will say, or you will part, you will say, okay, this is the end of the relationship?
Um, I think we both need to have a conversation first before we separate.
Okay.
Because in a relationship, I think communication is very important talaga.
How about this one? Okay, let's say you guys have not met in person yet. Okay? Would you consider visiting his country if he paid for everything?
Okay, as a girl and as a woman, no. For me, if she really loves me, he put effort to visit me in my country because I am a woman.
How old are you?
22.
And I really like your uniform. Okay, what are you studying? Like
I am a student of the Mariners Naga, pursuing Bachelor of Science and Customs Administration.
custom. So that means you're gonna after you graduate, you could work in the airport, something like that.
Yeah, but I'm gonna took first a board exam.
Board exam. Okay. You look so pretty. She looks very pretty. You could even be a flight attendant or something. Beautiful. How long are you willing to wait for your long distance partner before parting ways?
I think po having a mutual connections with the LDR partner is very important since it is an LDR relationship. So I think po I will wait him for if I know if it is belongs to me and also the consistency. I think the very important is the consistency of the partner since he is far away from me and also po that's it. If I love him,
So you're willing to wait.
yes. If I love him enough.
What if it's like 10 years already of waiting for him?
I mean, of course, waiting is just a word, and I think po 10 years is not long enough for me if I love him enough. So you
Well, there's phones, so you can, video chat every day.
connections po.
How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
21. Wow. Okay, how about this one? Okay, let's say you guys have not met in person yet. Okay, like totally like strange, not strangers, but you haven't seen him, okay, in person. Okay, would you consider visiting him in his country if he paid for everything?
Yes, of course. If I know that I'm waiting for him to meet and also the very reason is that I love him. That's the very reason, I think.
Okay. Have you ever been into a long distance relationship?
Not yet.
Are you single?
Yes.
How long have you been single?
Since birth.
And you are 21 years old. You're still in college, right?
Yes po.
May we know what's your course?
Teacher education, major in English.
So you're gonna be an English teacher. Beautiful. And what year are you now?
I'm third year.
So one more year you will graduate. Wow. Okay. Are you looking for like a serious relationship at the moment? Like something that could lead to marriage maybe? Something that like first boyfriend and then he's also your husband like in the future.
Yes, I'm a date to marry person po. So I want a boyfriend then turns to a husband in marriage.
Okay. Since you are NBSB, no boyfriend sister, do you think you will have a problem if you are in a long distance relationship because you never had, you've never been in LDR relationship?
I think the problem is there is a problem always. So I don't think the instances is a very 50-50 probability. So I think there is but we will recount it and also we all know that the problem is just a problem. So you
So you will also consider to be in an LDR too.
Yes, because I know I want LDR.
Okay. How tall are you? Just tall.
I don't know po, but I think I remember I'm a 5'5",
5'5".
Yes po.
Okay. Do you do like pageants or something?
Oh, I'm shy po.
You're so pretty. You have to try. You're welcome. How long are you willing to wait for your long distance partner before parting ways?
I think distance should not be the basis to break up with someone you love.
So you're willing to wait.
Yes po.
How about if it's like for the rest of your life that you have to wait?
I think it would not be for the rest of my life because I think there will be time that we will be together.
Definitely, of course. That was just a joke. Okay, because they're like a little nervous. How about you? Are you willing to wait?
Yes.
Yes. How long?
I think it depends po.
Depends to what.
If I can feel that he loves me.
Okay, you're willing to wait. Like how long? Maybe 5 years, 6 years.
1 year is ano na po.
Good. And after 1 year, what will happen? What if he needs to stay more because of work, like that?
It depends on if he is committed.
If he's committed, you're willing to wait. Okay, well, thank you. How old are you guys?
I'm 21 years old.
21 and?
20.
And you're single, right?
Yes.
Since birth? Yeah, I could tell. She's very shy when I approach her. No boyfriend since birth. Okay. But do you see yourself in a long distance relationship?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, how about this one? Okay, how about, let's say, you guys have not met in person yet. Okay, like for example, your boyfriend, your partner is in Canada or USA. Okay, you've never met him. Okay, the question is, would you consider visiting his country if he paid for everything? Like for example, he paid for your fare, like everything. Would you consider visiting him?
Yes po.
Yes.
No.
Oh, interesting. Why no?
I don't know him personally.
Oh. Even though, like for example, you love him,
No.
still no. You rather stay here and wait for him.
Yes.
Thank you, ladies. Thank you for having this interview with us. We really appreciate your time. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection